Here's a poem called The Turtle by me, Big Bird. The turtle is his own hotel. His house is on his back, his shell, with roof and floor and sides so neat, and windows for his head and feet. He's very slow, as you'd be too, if your house was on top of you. But still, wherever he may roam, he's never gone, he's always home.